Hey y'all, Chris Ridgway here with Swivellink. So today is Terrific Tuesday, and with that being said, there's two awesome things that I want to share with you today. The first thing is our modular guardian line. The second thing is today we're filming in front of a live audience. So audience, if you could make some noise out there. All right, good job. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos just as much as I enjoy making them. And with that being said, let's dive into Stronguard. Okay, who's ready to learn more about Stronguard? Raise your hand. All right, I think I see about 3 or 4 out in the crowd. Anyways, trying to be funny and I'm not real funny. So let's get started here. Some nice things with Stronguard. You're gonna get quality, you're gonna get modularity, and you're gonna get strength. We're gonna start off with the post. We have a short post and we have a tall post. Simply by stacking up those two different posts, you're able to achieve several different heights. The posts are also tabbed just like the corner brackets. So when it comes to angles, you really have unlimited angles. Simply take the post, move that where you want to, slide this back, maybe something needs to run back that way. That can easily be done. Panels, with those being a bolt together, within, we'll just say 30 minutes, you could customize a width if you need to. Now we do have panels available from 8 inches to 8 feet wide, so lots of options. If you need to replace your mesh, you're able to do that within minutes. Down here at the bottom, if you need to have a section removed to either slide in a conveyor or get up over something that's in the way, that can easily happen as well. Panels can swing in or out, be used as an access panel, left or right, top or bottom, unlimited options there. And on this mesh, we have 2 inch, a 1 inch, and we do have polycarbonate options. On our feet, we do have threaded holes on all 4 sides for leveling, so you can level up your post and make sure everything's correct with that. Put in unistrut or extrusion to mount a wireway. And then we also have interlocking plates and we have light curtain brackets. So if you're in need of any of this that I just mentioned, go to our website under How Do I Buy, contact a local Stronguard distributor, and I know they'll definitely help you out. As always, thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate your time. All right, my main man, my brother. It's been a long time. I know you're ready to get back on the road again. You just gotta be patient. I still love you. Little fist bump. We'll get back out there, all right? All right, let's get in here for another selfie real quick. All right, y'all, Stronguard and Chris, we're gonna be out on the road soon. Look for us at a show near you. We appreciate you.